Let's listen to an expert, Dr. Vaishali Pathak, diabetologist and consulting physician, Cardiomet Clinic, Pune, for hypertension in young population along with the coronary artery disease and higher heart rate. Can be sure of happy heart? Doctor, how do we define hypertension and when should we conclude that the person has hypertension?
Hypertension means that it's like BP, which is on higher side. So in adults, age 18 years and older is defined as hypertension. So anybody above 18 years, if we find their blood pressures, that is systolic blood pressure which is more than 140 and diastolic blood pressure more than 90, we define that person as a hypertensive person. And any level of blood pressure in patients taking antihypertensive medication is also defined as person with the hypertension.
Doctor, can high blood pressure can be completely cured?
Actually, the high blood pressure has got its own reasons why it is there. If the reason is very heavy weight or bad lifestyle, yes, it can be modified with the lifestyle modification. Second important thing is regular treatment can lower down the blood pressure, and there are certain reasons where there is a high blood pressure, like conditions like pheochromocytoma or renal artery stenosis. Such kinds of reasons are definitely treatable and blood pressure can be completely cured. But in normal patients, normal persons, when there is age-related blood pressure which is little resistant to treat.
Doctor, has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? And if yes, what could be the underlying cause?
As you rightly said, there is a definitely significant increase in patients, younger patients with heart attacks and hypertension. Typically, people think that the risk of heart ailments rises when a man reaches his 50 and a woman crosses age of 65. But these days, there's heart illnesses or other disorders that lead to heart problems such as hypertension and high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides are being noticed in people in 20s, 30s and 40s. It could be because of an unhealthy lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, stress, comorbidities and so on. So people are place bound and work from home, recent COVID, which is a new trend in, and lot of Zomato, Swiggy, the food apps are on your phone, so order them, eat them. So unhealthy lifestyle is another a major risk factor, and high stress levels because of life expectations and work pressures. These are the major reasons why younger heart attacks and younger hypertensions are seen.
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.